If you are doing business in the UAE, you have probably heard that corporate tax has started. But don't worry, not everything you earn is taxable. In this video, I'll explain what income is taxable and what is exempt in simple language with examples. Corporate tax was introduced in the UAE from June 1, 2023. The standard rate is 9%, but it only applies to income above 375,000 dirham. That means if your profit is less than that, you don't need to pay any tax. But the bigger question is what types of income are taxed and which ones are not. Let's start with taxable income. This is the income on which you have to pay 9% tax if it crosses the threshold. Business profits. If you run a company, a store, a restaurant, or an online business, your net profit after expenses is taxable. Self-employed or freelancers. If you are a freelancer, graphic designer, IT consultant, or working on your own, your income is taxable if it crosses the limit. Let's see an example. You run a small advertising agency in Dubai. Your annual profit is 6 lakh dirham. Since 375,000 dirham is exempt, you will pay 9% tax on the remaining 2,25,000 dirham. That is around 20,000 dirham. Now let's talk about exempt income. These are the incomes you don't have to pay tax on. Salary. Your monthly job salary is not taxable even it's high. Dividends. If you own shares and get dividend income from UAE or foreign companies, it's exempt. Capital gains. If you sell your shares or asset, make a profit, that profit is exempt. Income from qualifying free zone entity. Free zone companies can enjoy 0% tax if they meet certain rules, like only dealing with business outside the UAE or within the free zone. Let's take another example. You work in Abu Dhabi and earn 25 dirham monthly salary. You also get 10,000 dirham in dividends from UAE stocks. No corporate tax is applicable here. On other side, if you own a free zone company in DMCC that export goods outside UAE, if it meets the qualifying criteria, your income is 0% taxed. So remember, only business income above 3,75,000 dirham is taxed at 9%. Income from job salary, dividends, capital gains is not taxed. Free zone companies may get 0% tax if they follow specific rules. Always consult a tax advisor to structure your income smartly and file on time. Corporate tax is new, but if you understand the basics, it's not scary at all. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share with your friends and subscribe for more tax tips.